If you're a regular visitor to our channel, you'll know that earlier this year we opened the magnificent Camellia House at Wentworth Woodhouse. This beautiful building has undergone a complete transformation. We've taken it from a derelict, roofless shell and turned it into a global tea room and event space. The work began in 2022 with the erection of scaffolding and the removal of the old iron roof spars. And although much of the visible work involved activities around the structure of the building, what was inside was receiving an equal amount of care and attention. The Camellia House is home to some of the earliest camellia plants ever to come into the country. They were collected in the early 19th century, and the building in which they stand dates from this time. Behind the Camellia House is an earlier adjoining building, which was created as a tea room for the wife of the first Marquess of Rockingham in 1738. Back in 2022, both buildings were in a very ruinous state. Our amazing team of contractors have transformed the Camellia House and tea room into a beautiful and vibrant space. This is proving to be a very popular visitor destination and a place where we can host a whole new series of events for the communities that we serve. An important part of this regeneration was the thought given to the environmental sustainability of the site. The work done includes a ground source heating system designed to provide carbon neutral heating. It also includes a rainwater harvesting system, which provides water for the camellias and for the toilets. In 2023, the Camellia House at Wentworth Woodhouse was awarded a Green Apple Award. This recognised how the restoration project successfully balanced the conservation requirements of an historic building with a sustainable energy strategy suitable for net zero. And we're delighted to announce that the Camellia House has recently been awarded the Royal Institute of Chartered Surveyors Regional Award in the Refurbishment and Revitalisation category. This highlights the exceptional efforts and collaboration involved in what was a £5 million conservation project, undertaken with funding from the National Lottery Heritage Fund, Historic England and many other contributors. The restoration and reimagining of the Camellia House is an important milestone for the Wentworth Woodhouse Preservation Trust. It's the first time that we've fully repurposed one of the buildings on the site and given it a new use. Our strategy to provide a sustainable future for the whole site will involve many more instances of taking old buildings and reimagining them for a new life to secure the financial viability of Wentworth Woodhouse. As a regional winner, we're now looking forward to October, when we join other regional winners from across the country in the National Award event. We'll keep you posted on this channel, so don't forget to subscribe and leave us a comment.